we are integrating Klaviyo within the audiences section of every single ad account. The reason that this is so important is because we are now able to take our customer data that we own, email addresses, phone numbers, physical addresses, any other method, and we're able to push it into the Google Ads platform to inform Performance Max. We're able to inform our search audiences. We can do all of this just by implementing our CRM into Google Ads. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using the Klaviyo integration. Now that we are in Klaviyo, what we're going to do is on the left-hand side, scroll down to your brand name, click integrations. Once you get there, you'll land on a screen that looks just like this. Click add integration, search for Google Ads, click that integration. Once you land on the Google Ads section, you are then going to be able to add your audiences. So these are your segments that you've created in Klaviyo. You're then going to be able to port them over to Google. We think about creating segments in Klaviyo, which we've done in our audiences list and segments, and then we rename the segment so we clearly identify it, and it pushes automatically, literally within 1 minute, to Google Ads. Basically what we're doing here is we have our add to cart 30 days, we have our add to cart 180 days, we have high value purchasers, meaning they've purchased more than once, purchasers 180 days, add to cart all time, purchase 30 days, purchase all time, site visitors all time, super high value purchasers, meaning they've purchased 5 or more times, all email users, site visitors 7 days, site visitors 180, site visitors 30 days. There's actually no downside in having multiple audiences in Google Ads because most of them will be used for observation methods only, meaning we're not actually bidding, we're not telling Google to do anything against these audiences unless there's a positive signal. No negative signal will actually hurt or change the way the Google algorithm is bidding. So these are purely observational unless we want to use the really, really high value ones to target specifically. Don't be afraid if you have 10, 20, even 30 different audiences in here, depending on the size of your business. What I will say is that each of these segments should have about 1,000 people in them. If you're under that, if you're a smaller brand that's just starting out, just group together a few things, get it as close to 1,000 as possible. If you can't get there, start small, and as they build, they'll become more and more relevant in Google. The final piece to this puzzle is bringing these over from Klaviyo to Google Ads and then actually leveraging them inside of Google Ads. So I'm going to show you exactly how we do that in 2 different ways within the Google account that I was mentioning before. So the place we like to use these audiences are first in our Performance Max campaigns. So what we're going to do is head over to our primary Performance Max campaign, go to your asset groups and click signals here on the right-hand side. There's going to be a little pen. You can click that. Within here, we are going to go down to our audience signal and click the edit button one more time. Once this loads up, you're going to see this very first big section here is going to be called your data. Within this your data section, we are going to have the ability to add all of those Klaviyo customer lists that I mentioned last time.